Good day everyone, David Paul speaking. Today I just want to do a review of my swing trading methodology that works in both the UK and the American markets. I'm going to use the American market. All of the shares that I'll be speaking about can be easily traded via spread bets in the UK, and that's how I've in fact traded them. So if we have a look at VectorVest USA, that's after the close last Friday. Just before their holiday, the short-term measures of the trend are down, and I think you can easily see that there's a great deal of red there. So in terms of buying shares, this is not a day to be buying shares. VectorVest does not advocate buying stocks at this time. If we have a look at what's happened this year, and it's been quite a year, I think you would agree. I've marked, I think you can see the red and the green triangle. Those are the medium-term market timing system known as the DEW. I'll spare you the acronym for the moment. It's a medium-term market timing system that reacts to market action on the daily chart relatively quickly, and that's what I've been using in this campaign. A sell signal in February, and then a buy signal that came in on the US market on the 6th of April, on the UK market on the 7th of April. And as you can see, that signal is still in place. The line study down below is the VectorVest proprietary buy-sell ratio, the breadth of the market. And as this market was rising on falling breadth, that's in fact not good. On Friday, about an hour before the close, the DEW gave a sell signal. And that sell signal in fact was negated by a very strong close. Now I see today that the market has opened down. That's in the pre-market. We shall see what happens, but we could quite easily get a sell signal from the DEW today. So I've spoken about my very simple uni search on VectorVest before. It uses the comfort index. Now the comfort index is a measure of the long-term trend of a share on the scale between 0 and 2. And if you can see my cursor, I'm looking for a baseline of the comfort index of greater than 1.2 on the scale between 0 and 2. That finds shares that are in the throes of a strong trend. I look for 200,000 shares being traded as measured by a 50-day moving average of volume, so it's relatively easy to get in and to get out. And very importantly, I'm sorting those shares by a combination of CI, the long-term trend, times projected annualized earnings growth rate. So I'm bringing the shares to the top of the list that have the best technical position, CI, and the best fundamental position in terms of growth fundamentals, which are important for swing trading. I ran that search on the 6th of April when the DEW gave a buy signal, and ladies and gentlemen, that's what it's done until last Friday. The market's up 30%, which is great, but that particular search was up 111% in the same period. Now you didn't have to hold them the whole way. You could have traded in and out of them, and I can certainly show you how to do that. That's what I've done myself. This move up was abnormal, that's for sure. I've traded in and out of those, and I pretty much closed all of those positions on Friday. I've got 2 positions running. We shall see what happens today. If the market starts to break up, then I shall start to rebuild again. So the UK hasn't been nearly as strong as the American market, and certainly been quite boring in fact compared to the American market. All of those shares can be spread betted using pretty much any large UK spread betting company, and it's been exceptionally good period. If the market should move up again, I like the look of this share called APPS. It comes out of the CI times GRT search exceptionally well. It has risen on huge volume, and it's pulled back and then risen again on volume, and it charted one of my favorite setups, a Wyckoff Spring. Far too early to do anything yet, folks. The general market and the short-term trend on the general market needs to start to move up, and we're a long way off that, and I would have thought even under the most positive circumstances it's going to be before the end of the week before that happens. The facts are that the trend is down, okay, so but nevertheless I like the look of apps, and at VectorVest we believe that earnings will grow by 50% over the next year. That's quite a clip. The other little share that I really like the look of is Workhorse. Now Workhorse makes electric vehicles, small well, medium-sized electric vans to deliver parcels, Amazon type parcels, and as you can see, it broke up in very strong volume. It's gone sideways on virtually no volume, and it seemed to have broken out of this little pennant type pattern on rising volume. It had a very good day on Friday when the market sold off, so that's another one that I would be interested in. Far too early to do anything yet, folks. So I just wanted to do this as a review of the DEW swingers trading methodology. I'll do another video of the performance of the UK market. Too early to do anything. Just sit and wait to see if we can get a bounce in this market. The market looking very negative. I always say as a joke that when I'm feeling bearish, there must be a major bottom close, but certainly in the pre-open as I speak on the half an hour before the American Open on the Tuesday the 8th of September, the market is in fact probably going to open about 20 S&P points down from Friday night's close. I hope you found this helpful, and if you would like a trial to VectorVest UK or VectorVest USA, just go to vectorvest.co.uk and you can actually replicate all my results, and the trial's £5.95 for 30 days. That's both the UK and USA. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.